I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. The channel for quick, fast, easy meals for people in a hurry. This is Parmesan Crusted Chicken. You can definitely have this on the table in 30 minutes, but I have a sneaky trick that elevates this to next level. It will take you a little bit longer, but trust me, it's worth it. And this is so crunchy and delicious, your family will be asking for it at least once a week in the rotation. So if you want the sneaky trick in the recipe, keep watching. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. I'm using an 8x8 because I only have 2 chicken breasts. This recipe is normally for 4. So, and if you notice, I pre-seasoned them. I apologize. Those that know me, welcome back. You know I do my proteins 24 hours ahead of time. And this is seasoned with Lowry seasoning salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. But for the recipe, you don't have to do that. You can just get them right out the fridge or the grocery store. You can grease your pan with butter, but I'm gonna use some non-stick cooking spray. And I have mayonnaise, and you can use any kind you want. I'm gonna use 2 knobs of butter to put at the bottom of the dish. And you need Parmesan cheese, black pepper, some smoked paprika, garlic powder and onion powder, and fresh parsley for garnish for this recipe. So I'm gonna get everything set up, turn the camera around. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees. This can be on the table in as little as 25 to 30 minutes. Let's get cooking. Okay, so for 4 chicken breasts, you need a cup of mayonnaise. I'm just gonna eyeball this because I'm using approximately a half a cup because I only have 2 chicken breasts. And I don't know if you guys noticed, my chicken breasts are pretty thin, so they won't cook very long. And then to this you add, I'm gonna use 1/4 of a cup because like I said, I'm halving this recipe. It should be, whoops, well, I went way over, but it just makes it all better. And you wanna add a little bit of smoked paprika. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, and to this I'm going to add fresh parsley. I'm going to save some for garnish, and then you just mix this all together. This is Parmesan roasted chicken. I apologize. And that's where you get all your flavor from the Parmesan. So don't worry that this is really heavy on the Parmesan. Because technically it's 1 cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of Parmesan, and then half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of the other spices. So I'm just mixing that all together. And you can cook this with rice, a salad, potatoes. Got my pan here. You're gonna spray it. You don't have to, you can grease it. But those that know me, welcome back. You know I upload 2 videos a week and I always include an inspirational quote and a controversial joke. Here's a knob of butter, another knob of butter. Then I'm gonna take my chicken and lay 1 piece over that piece of butter and the other piece over the other piece of butter. Then I'm gonna take this and heavily coat the chicken. Just gonna use it all. This is so delicious. And like I said, it's better if you can let your proteins marinate overnight, in my opinion, all of them. But if you can't, it's still good. This topping crusts up really well with the Parmesan. And we're having baked potatoes, but rice, a salad, some crusty bread, all that works. Just want to make sure it's totally covered. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven and meet you guys back in 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Do not go over that because this will overcook and dry out. Okay guys, I'm going to take it out of the oven. It's been cooking for 30 minutes. And it's been on the top rack, just so you know, the top rack is always the hottest. This heat rises. And you hear it sizzling. You can see it. Let me turn the camera around. There it is. In 30 minutes, I'm going to sprinkle with some fresh parsley. And like I said, my disclaimer, you get extra flavor if you guys are able to marinate this meat overnight like I did, to come in and just cook it right out the gate. The chicken won't be as flavorful underneath, but this is a quick, fast, easy meal. And like I said, you can serve it with whatever you like, over rice, and that gravy or the sauce that is cooking in the butter sauce is also delicious. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm Jennifer Mallory, BSRNMSN. Welcome to my channel. And it's quick, fast, easy meals. I don't know how you found me, but I'm so happy you're here. So I'm going to turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. An Englishman, an Irishman, and a Scotsman are about to go golf, and their wives demand to come with them. The Englishman's wife is about to tee off, and a gust of wind blows her dress up, revealing her bloomers. Fortunately, none of the other men notice. The Englishman says to his wife, "Why in the hell are you wearing bloomers?" The wife says, "Well, you don't give me enough money to spend on food and bills, so I have no money to spend on myself." The Englishman says, "Here's 50 quid. Go and get yourself some decent underwear next time." "All right," she says. The Irishman's wife is about to tee off, and a gust of wind blows her skirt up as well. Her underwear is full of holes. Fortunately, again, no one notices. The Irishman leans over to his wife. "Why are you wearing underpants like that? Lucky my friends didn't notice." She said, "It's because you don't give me enough money to buy underwear, you tight bastard." The Irishman reaches into his pocket and pulls out 20 euros and says, "Listen, for God's sake, go and buy yourself some underwear." So the Scotsman's wife is about to tee off, and a gust of wind blows up her skirt as well, and she's wearing absolutely nothing. The Scotsman rolls up to her and says, "You're not wearing any underwear. Glad my friends didn't see that." She also complains that she doesn't have enough money. So the Scotsman reaches into his pocket while saying, "You could at least tidy yourself up a wee bit," and hands her a comb. Oh my God. So I guess she's pretty hairy down there, and it wasn't, groomed or kept tidy. I don't know. But I thought that was pretty cute. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're in the mood for quick, fast, and easy meals, you're in the right spot. Keep scanning my channel and looking for videos for different proteins. I've got just about everything covered. I think this is absolutely delicious. Your family would definitely be asking for more, so make sure you make plenty. I had thin chicken breasts. You can go thicker, but definitely you want to check the temperature for 165 degrees for chicken to make sure that they are warm enough. That Parmesan crust is just the absolute touch. And if you want to cut down on calories, use low-fat yogurt instead of mayonnaise. So I want to wish you guys a good evening. Thanks for watching, and God bless.